एवरीडे साइंस जर्नल साइंस के सिलसिले में ये MCQs वीडियो हैं जो कि ppsc, fpsc, spsc, NTS, PTS और kppsc तमाम जो इम्तहानात होते हैं मुख्तलिफ़ जो मुकाबला जाती भी होते हैं उनके लिए मुफीद है। तो इसको आप देखें और इससे आप मुस्तफ़ीद हों और इसको आगे भी शेयर करें। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इस वीडियो का, कैरेट इज़ गुड सोर्स ऑफ अ विटामिन डैश क्वेश्चन मार्क। इट्स आंसर इज़ ऑप्शन ए, विटामिन ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, for proper formation of teeth dash is essential. Its answer is option C, fluorine. Next question, deficiency of dash causes loss of appetite and poor growth. Its answer is option A, zinc. Next question, meteorology is the study of. Its answer is option B, atmosphere. Next question, the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by volume is. Its answer is option A, 0.039. Next question, diamond is an allotropic form of dash question mark. Its answer is option A, carbon. Next question, the S1 unit of heat is question mark. Its answer is option C, joule. Next question, the good source of vitamin A are. Its answer is option A, green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. Next question, the good source of vitamin B complex are. Its answer is option B, seeds. Next question, the good source of vitamin C are. Its answer is option C, fresh vegetables and fruits. Next question, the great spot is on this planet. Its answer is option D, Jupiter. 1 light year is equal to. Its answer is option C, 9.5 multiply 1012 km. Its answer. Next question, the bodyguard of earth is dash that save the earth from many comets and asteroids. Its answer is option D, Jupiter. Next question, the planet visible to us without using a telescope are. Its answer is option C, 5. Next question, according to Big Bang theory, the universe began about dash billions years ago. Its answer is option A, 10 to 20 billions years ago. Next question, Boysoner is used to measure. Its answer is option A, blood glucose level. Next question, Einstein famous equation which states that mass and energy are interchangeable is. Its answer is option A, E is equal to mc2. Option A is correct. Next question, the S1 unit of electric current is. Its answer is option B, ampere. Next question, what is dry ice? Its answer is option B, solid carbon dioxide. Next question is, digestion of food is completed in the dash. Its answer is option A, small intestine. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।